Good morning, YouTube. Well, it's whatever time it is where you are and when you're watching this. It's early morning here, Saturday, March 23rd, and it's cold. It's 41 degrees, so a lot colder than I expected it to be. But I wanted to get up early and take a quick ride and see if I can get my drone up over the river for the sunrise. So just a quick ride. It's a beautiful clear day, so hopefully we'll get some good footage. And even with the cold, still a nice day for a ride. It's always a nice day for a ride. Although I think I need my seat heaters, or my seat heaters and my grip heaters on. Let's see if we can get that done. There we go. Should have thought about that earlier. Anyway, I got a Spark drone, so I'm just now learning how to fly it. I've flown it a few flights at this point, certainly not a whole lot, but I wanted to get up early and see if I can get out over the marsh and over the river and get the sunrise. If I didn't get too late of a start. But I'll come back on when we get close and see what kind of footage we can get. Excuse me. Well, here we are down at the boat dock. See the marsh, the trees that you see in the distance over there, over the marsh and over the river. That's Florida. So we're on the Georgia side now. And see if we can get this drone up in the air.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let's get some height. Okay, got done with our first flight, and that one I really focused on getting up and getting the sunset, which is probably blinding the camera right now. But now I'm just going to try another one and stay a little bit lower and explore the marsh a little bit, and then we'll bring her back.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Maximum flight distance reached. Go home.
Okay, well, we got 2 flights. I'm not sure how good the second one was. I think I got some good footage in the first one, but we'll see when I get it back into editing. But for now, it's time to get back and get some coffee.
Battery level is low.